Get ready to be blown away as Samsung gears up to revolutionize the smartphone game once again. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to redefine the very notion of innovation, promising to deliver a flagship experience like never before. Picture this, a sleek, futuristic device that seamlessly merges style with functionality. Thanks to a revolutionary new form factor showcased in an official Samsung patent, say goodbye to the days of squinting at tiny, impractical screens. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 boasts a generously sized outside screen and a remarkably slim profile, a game-changer in the world of foldable smartphones. But hold on to your seats, folks, the excitement doesn't stop there. While the formal release of the Galaxy Z Fold, the 6th of May, still be a few months away, trust us when we say that the wait will be well worth it. This is one device that's sure to leave a lasting impression. And let's talk about power. With the larger twin batteries and an ultra-efficient display, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not just a pretty face, it's a powerhouse that can keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle. Plus, Samsung isn't just stopping at the surface level. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes equipped with an improved folding mechanism, promising enhanced durability and a sleeker design. Folding and unfolding has never felt this satisfying. Feast your eyes on a design so breathtaking, it'll leave you speechless. With a sleek and slender profile, the Z Fold 6 is a testament to Samsung's unwavering commitment to innovation. But here's the kicker, this isn't just any design, it's a game-changer that's set to redefine the very essence of foldable smartphones. Now, I know what you're thinking, when can we get our hands on this marvel of technology? Well, buckle up because the formal release of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its sibling, the Z Flip 6, is still a tantalizing 7 to 8 months away. But trust me when I say the wait will be well worth it. Let's talk about the competition. When you look at other folding smartphone brands like OnePlus, Oppo, or Honor Magic V2, you'll notice a pattern, the same old fold, nothing groundbreaking. But not with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is about to shake things up in a big way, and we couldn't be more excited. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung isn't just raising the bar, they're setting a new standard for what a foldable phone should be. This is their chance to shine, to deliver a dream design that will leave the competition eating dust. Picture this, a sleek, stylish flip phone that not only looks amazing but packs a serious punch under the hood. That's right, rumor has it that the Z Flip 6 is gearing up to feature larger twin batteries than its predecessor, the Z Flip 5. And trust me, that's not just big news, it's earth-shattering. Brace yourselves for a battery life like never before. The Galaxy Club is buzzing with excitement, claiming that the Z Flip 6 might boast a whopping 4,000 mAh battery, compared to the Z Flip 5's 3,700 mAh one. Combine that with an ultra-efficient display and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, and we're talking about the holy grail of flip phone battery life. But here's the million-dollar question, will Samsung follow suit with the Galaxy Z Fold 6? We're crossing our fingers for a bigger battery and a bolder design. After all, when it comes to foldable devices, bigger is always better. And let's not forget about the design revolution that's brewing with the Fold 6. Get ready for some serious changes to the internal folding mechanism, folks. We're talking improved durability and a sleeker, more streamlined design that's bound to turn heads. Remember the case size for the main display on the Galaxy Z Fold 4? Well, get ready for a significant reduction. It's innovation at its finest.